double buff? Oh, I was gonna say I can kill bot once I go there right now, but unfortunately there was no right now. Oh, bye, Graves. Ho ho! This Talon's a beast. Bro, this Talon's a beast, bro. Oh my god, he lived that? Is that him? The god? The god of Talon?
This will only dull the beauty.
Oh my god. Oh, it gets him auto. Embarrassing. Forward here, fuck it.
Kill okay. Fear this.
12 CS Graves is quite persistent with wanting to be in my jungle.
What will be the final
Quite persistent. He's gonna farm all of his camps, but I'm pretty sure I have a big CS lead on him. CS and XP advantage. He does have a kill lead on me though, so you gotta give him that. Gotta give him his props. I should probably go take this guy's Krugs instead of doing my bot side. Or just run straight bot lane for the gank. It's a good idea too.
Whom should I obey?
Odds of them having some vision on me is pretty high though. Talunar. I can tell Graves is here. My E didn't show that he was in this bush. Did you guys see my E? Maybe it did show and I didn't see it, but I didn't see it.
Whom should I obey? Master Zed or the dilute?